I am a kitchen beautician, which means I can do my hair. All right, y'all. So like the title says, I'm gonna show you how I clip my ends today. I just want to first and foremost start off by saying I am nobody's professional, and we all know that. I am a kitchen beautician, which means I can do my hair, okay, how I like it to look. I always clip my ends when my hair is just straightened on clean hair, and I do it on my hair when it's straightened versus when it's blow dried. I know we've been seeing a lot of TikToks and a lot of Instagram videos where people are doing, and it's so pleasing to watch. Like I love watching them when they just go and they cut on the freshly blow dried hair. That might work for like stylists or whatever. It does not work for me because I can't really see what needs to be clipped personally myself when my hair is blow dried. So what I do is I take my first section up here and I brush it out to the end like so, just to see like what is out there. And I always like to kind of have like a white background behind me if you can. If you have dark hair, it'll make it much easier for you to see like your hair. Now what I'm looking for is like ends that look thin, that look scraggly, that look crunchy. That has to go. Snip all that off. And I kind of keep it the same shape that my hair has, so I'm not like trying to create a new shape for it. I'm just clipping off like what looks like dead. If all of your hair is like, you know, dense, and then you get out here to the ends and it's like very sparse, you should clip that off. Also, I didn't even tell you guys, these are like the shears that I'm using. So you don't want to be clipping your ends with scissors. You need to be clipping your ends with hair shears that are meant for cutting hair. If you cut your hair with scissors, like it's just not gonna end up good for your hair. Just get these ends. Anything that just looks like it can go, it's probably overstayed its welcome. So I remember when I was flattering my hair, it looked like there was a little like couple scragglers, and there are. I actually have like this hole. I don't know if you guys can see this hole, like kind of indentation here where my hair is like thicker, then it's like not as thick. I could literally probably cut it straight across there, but like I said, I'm not in the mood for like a little altering little haircut here. I'm gonna brush it out again. Turn it to the side. See what I see. And then this front section here, I always try to make sure I get it because it's much shorter. Well, it's not much shorter, but it's shorter than the rest of my hair. And it kind of like gets missed. So I'm just trimming around here. This probably seems like a bit tedious, but this is what I do and this is what works for me. I take my hair and I just look at it from this angle. I know it's probably kind of hard to see. And I just like go in where I can see like there are dead ends, because you can literally see them, and I snip them right off. And I do this with the parts that I can see. Call me crazy, but that's what I do. And it works out well for me. I'm not going for like a blunt cut right now or anything, but I do kind of want my hair to have like some sort of like symmetry. So I'm just gonna kind of go around to make sure like there aren't any like super long pieces or anything. Make sure like this is kind of evened out, you know. Comb this section straight down. I'm just combing it straight down in the back, and I'm grabbing it with my fingers, turning it to the side. That's how I keep it straight, so I can make sure I get like a even cut straight across. When I look at it, it looks like it's not even right now. So I'm just gonna cut off what I need to. Yeah, it wasn't even. If you have any questions about anything, you guys know you can always leave a comment below. I answer every single one of your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.